friends, I Dr.Ashwin Dobariya welcomes you to Programming in C practical video series. In previous video we have discussed the C programs that interchange or swapping two number using third variable. In this video we will discuss how we can interchange two number using not using but without third variables. So let's see how we can write the C program. The definition of the C program is which takes input of two number. It means we have to provide two numbers to our programs, and then after we have to interchange or swapping its value without third variable. It means now here in this program we have to write such a logic without third variable. We can able to interchange these two values. So how we can do it? Let's see the logic of these programs. And now here say as we know that how many variable first we required. So now we have to provide only two number, then x and y. These are the two variables we require to declare in this program. For understanding, let's we assign the x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. So this is our first steps to provide the input to our program, and here we have to write logic where without third variable we have to generate the output like x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. Then how we can do it? So let's discuss the logic. In this program, first we have to declare only two variable like x is equal to integer x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10, and both are integers. Now here just for understanding, I have initialized x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 10. So the memory structure is x5 y10. And now how we can write the logic of this program? So here we do not require to you declare third variable. Then we have to manage the operation on only two variables. Then first we have to think about different arithmetic operation on these two variables. So let's we assume that first we'll perform the addition on these two numbers. So x plus y. So x plus y means 5 plus 10, and we'll either assign into x or we can assign y. For example, the addition will assign to x. So here see we have written the arithmetic expression, but we have not used the third variable. Here x we have repeat two times, right? So that we can do in this program. So x plus y means first we will perform addition, and then that addition will overwrite into x. Then what should be the status of that? So 5 plus 10 become 15, and 15 is assigned to x, right? So this is the first steps in this logic. Perform the addition and assign to first variable like x. So now the memory status of these two variable is x is 15, y is 10. Okay, now how we can think about the next statement? Now see here value of x is 5, that we have to transfer over here y, right? So now what type of operation we can perform between these two value so it generate either 5 or 10? So we know that if 15 minus 10, it means it generate 5, and that 5 we have to replace into y. So the next arithmetic operation we can say x minus y. So x minus y means 15 minus 10, it means 5, and that 5 we want to transfer over here y. So here you can write the second statement, y is equal to x minus y, right? So y now y becomes 5, right? So y become 5 and x will be as it is, right? So now see after these two statement we are able to transfer the value of x into y. So now see y becomes 5. So 50% part is over. Now we want to transfer the value of y into x. So now you think about what type of operation we can perform between these two value so it generate the value of y, and that we will assign to x. So we can say 15 minus 5. So 15 minus 5 means 10, and that 10 we want to transfer into x. So we can write like this, x minus y. So value of x is 15, value of y is 5, so it becomes 10, and that 10 we want to assign to x. So now say after that an x becomes 10 and y becomes 5. Now see the initial value of x is 5, so it will transfer to y, and the initial value of y it transfer to x. So now see here we have written the three statements but without using third variables, right? So in that way we can write the same interchange program without third variable. Let's see the same program in Turbo. See how we can execute this. So first in this program we have to define header file, define, then in a main function. In this program we have to declare only two variables, x and y, then clear screen, and first we'll ask the first value, enter value of x using scanf function %d %x. Similarly we'll ask the another value of y, and it will store into y in the scanf using scanf function. Now say in previous video we have seen that using third variable it is very easy, but here using only two variable it is little bit logical programming. So ultimately what we are doing over here, first we are performing addition operation between two variable, then assign to the first. Then after we have performed subtraction operation, then assign to second variable. Again we have performed the subtraction operation and assign to the first. So actually these three statement is the logic of this program, and after execution if you display the value of x on screen and value of y on screen, then it will be interchange. Let's we execute this program using Control F9. If I input 10 value as a x and 5 value to y, then see the value of x become 5 and y value is 10. Again if I execute the same program with another value like 100 and 50, then see x become 50 and y becomes 100. So in that way friends, we can write the interchange program using without third variable. So I hope friends you understand these videos and the programs, and whatever program source code we have discussed over here, that source code file link I have mentioned in the description of this video, and also mention the link of all theory and practical video link over here for your reference, so you can download the C programs and do the practice. And friends, to share and like this video, share with your friends, and also subscribe this video channel for updating the upcoming videos. And similarly in the next video we will discuss the same concept, same program, interchange two number, but in this we'll discuss the very unique logic using bitwise operator. So how we can write the same program using bitwise operators, so that we'll discuss in the next program. So thank you very much.